What is a proof of funds letter and why is it needed? Proof of funds are simply a POF is an official document or a statement issued by a financial institution, usually a bank. A proof of funds letter basically shows that a party is willing to carry out a financial transaction and has the means to go through with it. In other words, it has the funds needed to close the deal. The bank of the account holder usually provides a proof of funds, or the account holder may use his personal bank statement. It is sometimes in the form of an official letter from the bank and would usually cover a specific transaction. This should be enough to satisfy the selling party, in that it assures them that there is ready cash available in the bank account. It is instantly available, and above all, the money is legitimate. A proof of funds letter is also used during the process of applying for a line of credit or a mortgage. It is also required when one party is trying to engage another party to do business or acquiring assets. A proof of funds should ideally and generally is based on a cash account balance. However, when a prospective purchaser lacks credit worthiness, he can opt for a joint venture with another party that has cash available. This allows the first party to acquire a debt-based asset. Of course, the second party, or the cash contributor, charges a fee for this service. This cash-based account also serves to enhance the perceived credit worthiness of the purchaser. With the enhanced credit worthiness, perception is because of the proof of funds letter. The original seller or third party feels more secure doing business with the purchaser, knowing that he has the financial capability to carry out the transaction. Unlike a bank statement, a proof of funds letter does not typically show the opening or the closing balance of the account. There is no history of transactions either. It also does not show the outstanding loans associated with the account or the credit cards pertaining to it. A proof of funds letter only shows that there are legitimate funds available in an account, which would be enough to complete a specified financial transaction. Sometimes a so-called instant proof of funds letter is required mostly when one is planning to carry out a real estate transaction involving REOs, or real estate owned assets, by a bank. This is a property that has been previously foreclosed by a lender and has become available on the market. The bank and current owner may require a proof of funds letter as of the date of the contract submission. When a prospective buyer is making a purchase offer for such a real estate property, he may be required to submit a pre-qualification letter, which shows that he does have the cash required for closing the deal. Here, the prospective purchaser may use a free proof of funds letter, which is offered by a few companies. This proof of funds letter allows for the best transactional funding of the transaction.